Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on the navigation and use of the Buyer Insights portal powered by the Registria platform and Tableau software. This report is the registrations by form. In the drop-down menu you will see this noted as registrations by source ID. That can also be variously called registrations by COID. There are a number of names for this. Essentially what this is would be a summary of registrations by forms or means of data collection that Registria has created for you. So you wouldn't see the values Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. These would be the actual values of the forms that you've assigned with your CSM to collect registration data. So very specifically, think web pages and web forms that would be created, or registration cards. Very specific media used to collect registration data. And what we have here, similar to other reports with this type of view, we've got total registration volume for the period being detailed on your x-axis, with total volume being represented on the y, and the peaks and the lines joining together the months and the periods here, with total registration volume being revealed in your mouse over tooltip. You've got registrations by form, and you've got all the forms detailed here. So as we can see, Form 6 looks like there's a lot of activity. If we uncheck Form 6, we will get a more granular view into other form activity. And likewise, we can deselect as many forms as we want, and as you can see, it will change the nature of this visualization. Bottom we have percent of total registrations by form, and this is simply a stacked bar chart that will give you share distribution for each form using this color key to determine which one you're looking at. Of course, you mouse over, just like other views we've seen, to get very specific information on registrations, the form, and what its share is of the total. And likewise, with other views you've seen, if you want to undo the filtering that you've done, you can recheck all of these values. You can select check all, or you can simply hit the revert button. And know too that this report is also controllable and navigatable by using what would be this slider date selector here at the top. And so with that, if you have any further questions, please contact your client success manager, and thanks very much for watching.